Quickly, let me take you through the parts of the sewing machine. You have the balance wheel. This is the balance wheel. This is the spool pin. This is the thread guide. This is the presser foot lifter, and this is the presser foot here. Then you have the throat plates. Then you have the slide plate, because you can slide it to fix your check your bobbin. Then this is the tension disc. This is the tension disc. This is the upper tension. This is the reverse lever. You see, you can take it up and down. And this also the spool pin.